Here it is, the X-T30. This is the follow-up to the really successful X-T20 from Fujifilm. Now this thing may be small, but it's definitely not small on features. It is packing the sensor and the processor from the X-T3. Now what this means is incredible autofocus performance, incredible video performance, all packed into an enthusiast level body, which is far more affordable than the X-T3. So I took it out on the street, did some stills, did some video, which I'll show you now. Check this out. So, as you can see from those few clips just there, this thing is awesome. I was blown away by the autofocus performance of this camera. The way it tracked moving subjects, the way it just picked up things, the touch to focus on the back of the screen worked amazingly well too. So it's definitely enjoyed getting that processor and some of that firmware tech over from the X-T3. But where it cuts above the X-T3 is that facial tracking. The AF tracking, when it locks onto a face that's so tiny, so far away, and it brings it all the way through the frame. Unbelievable. But X-T3 owners, don't despair. It's coming to a firmware update near you very soon. Really, this does not give much away to the X-T3 at all. I mean, it doesn't have inbuilt image stabilization. It only has a single card slot, but you're getting so much. You're getting that incredible sensor with the 2.16 million face detect autofocus points all the way across. You're getting the incredible 4th generation processor, and you're also going to get the amazing quality viewfinder and all those beautiful Fuji color simulations as well that the X-T3 enjoys. Video wise, you're definitely gonna notice the amazing 4K video quality at 30p rather than 60p of the X-T3, but the video is still incredible, and you get those beautiful Fujifilm Eterna colors with the Eterna film simulation. With the HDMI output, you're getting 422 10-bit an 8-bit in camera. As you can see from the video examples that I showed you earlier, the video is outstanding. Fujifilm really have not skimped on this camera at all. It's such a good choice for a budget-conscious professional or any serious enthusiast photographer. This camera seriously delivers. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you hit the subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.